Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Carlinville, local and long-distance movers near me. We provide the right relocation services to choose from, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. Choosing to hire the right long-distance mover company gives you everything you need. Our team offers the right services for your move across the country or a few states over. If you're planning to relocate, let us help. Choosing to hire an Illinois moving company means your local move will go so much smoother. With a good moving crew, you gain plenty of benefits. If you want to do any of the heavy lifting yourself or worry about how fast you can move everything, our moving crew will take care of it all for you. 3 Movers knows how to make moving day easy. Even a local move is a big job. We take all the work off your plate, and we can even do the packing and unpacking. A move that would take you all week to finish, we can get done in a day or less. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Carlinville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.